guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing okay today. I know with things the way they are, it's a little weird and a little difficult. Hope everybody is keeping themselves busy. I have started to go through my makeup and do some decluttering. I did want to mention my eye look today. I was going through my single eyeshadows and created this look from some singles that I totally forgot I even had because I don't really reach for singles. But when you're wanting to do a look that you've done in the same palette numerous times, it's not a bad idea to have your singles. So I used the Sea Green Steve Laurent for the bluish green that you see. Then I used the Appeal, and this is just a loose pigment, and I've lost the color. My transition color, I started with the Manicadar Posh 3-in-1 Contour Shadow as my transition color. And then the Ace Beauté that we got last summer that was so pretty that I fell in love with and have totally forgot. But I'm a sucker for that silver metal. It's so pretty. Anyway, if you haven't been doing anything or needed something to do, try going through your single eyeshadows and see what you can come up with, because I thought it came out beautiful. So, there was what I wanted to share with y'all, but as you can see, the eye look. Okay, so the reason for today's video is I took on a new box, which I almost didn't film this video simply because with everything that's going on with the virus, this will be the last box until everything's figured out. And I am talking about the Macys beauty box. This is the beauty box for April. And this is a $15 box, and then shipping is free. My tax, I pay $1.24. So it was $16.24 for my box. This is the first time I'm ever getting it. I have been watching Just Ann unbox this box since before I even had a channel. So I'm finally going to take the plunge and try it out. The way that I've always taken it is, it's like Sephora Play's cousin, whatever's ahead of a mini subscription box. That is what I always picture as the Macys beauty box. You get a little bit more products, a little bit more high-end products, but they're all still pretty much sample, deluxe size samples. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. Now, I did cut it open just for easier access, and I think I did mine wrong because my whole box is falling apart. But it comes in a pink rolled tissue paper. Okay. And then we have a little card on the bottom of that. So let's go ahead and get rid of this box before I spill something, because that's just what I do. Okay, and then the front of it does show us our products that are in here. So I'm super excited about the hair clips. Let's see what else is in here. So we're going to unroll this, and I'm just going to take everything out and get rid of this tissue paper. I know that other creators understand the limited space on our vanities between doing our face and then doing the video. Our vanities get quite hectic. So let's go ahead and jump on in here. It does give you a treat yourself, enjoy $5 off your next beauty purchase. So that's pretty cool. It's better than the 50 Sephora Insider points. So it says it is an $83 value, and it is You Glow Girl. Summer is just around the corner. Now's the time to get a jump start on your sun-kissed glow with multitasking skincare that's sure to give you the lit from within radiance you crave. Plus, you're getting 3 fragrances to complement the look. Now, I love when I get perfume samples. I do have my own assortment of perfumes, but I do like to try different ones out and find ones that I didn't know I liked. It says, check out how-to videos, full-size versions of your faves and more at Macys.com/beautybox. So I'm just going to go through here. First, I'm going to turn the sound off of my phone. There you go, husband. I'm just going to go through here like they have it set up in the little booklet. And the first thing we have is from Caudalie. This is that product. And it says it is a Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. This serum's key ingredient is clinically proven to be 62 times more powerful than vitamin C. So if you're looking to even your skin tone and lighten dark spots, Vino Perfect is the way to go. And the full size of this retails for $79. The pro tip is, unlike many brightening treatments, this one doesn't leave your skin sensitive to the sun. You can apply AM or PM under your moisturizer, which is great because vitamin C, you're not supposed to wear it out in the daytime. This is only full to right here. You can see the product in there, so I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I've never tried it. And I do have a dark spot right here on my face that usually looks like I didn't blend my bronzer in. As you can see on this side, I don't have it. It's just some sun damage. So anything that can try to get rid of that, I'm all for. The next thing we have is from Elizabeth Arden. And these are the Retinol Ceramide Capsules. Reduce the appearance of fine lines while boosting moisture with this serum. The ceramides prevent the irritation that often accompanies retinol, so your skin looks and feels amazing. The full size of these is $84. It doesn't tell you how many come in a full size, just what it retails for. The pro tip is the capsules keep the serum fresh and give you the perfect dose for nightly use. So I am all about using retinol on my face. And I've been wanting to try some of these for a while. You don't get very many, but there is enough to see if you actually like it and want to spend the $84 to replace that. So I'm not mad about that. Then we have something from Pure. This is Pure Lit Mist Setting Illuminating Spray. Set your makeup, help protect your skin from environmental pollutants, and glow all at once with this beauty superhero and hydrating. Is that showing? There we go. The hydrating and antioxidant-rich formula gives skin a subtle shimmer for all-day radiance, and the full size of this retails for $24. There is the little roller ball that helps break all of that illuminating formula up in there so that it sprays. The pro tip is hold the setting spray 8 to 10 inches away from the face and spritz 2 or 3 times, reapply throughout the day for extra glow. So I do like Pure, and I am addicted to setting sprays. Oh, let me tell you, that stuff comes shooting out of there. There's not really a smell, but that sprayer, yeah, it comes shooting right out of there. So there's that. I don't know if it really gave me a glow. I kind of had my own glow going on beforehand, so we don't know. All right, then we got Kula. This is a sunless tan anti-aging face serum, and this is full. You can see the product in there. It says, get the sun-kissed look you love minus the sun. Not only will you get a tan the safe way, but ingredients like argan oil and hyaluronic acid keep skin hydrated. Full size of this is $54. The pro tip is apply directly to cleanse skin. For results within 2 hours. For a more subtle effect, mix 2 or 3 drops with your daily moisturizer. And my little cap is a little not screwed on, but it is safety sealed. So I will definitely be giving that a try. With the salons closed, I can't do my tanning, so I might be taking up some of that sunless tanning again and seeing what we can come up with. The next thing is from Ahava. This is the there we go. Ahava, the purifying mud mask. Energizing Dead Sea mud penetrates your pores to draw out impurities. The result, cleaner, dewier skin and a more even complexion. The full size of this retails for $35. The pro tip is use the mask for 2 minutes twice a week to start seeing results. Now, I do like Ahava products. I do have a few of them. This is not safety sealed. And it's just a creamy texture formula. If it smells like their other products, I will be amazed. There's really not a smell to it. But I will definitely try that out and hope it doesn't break my skin out. The next 3 things are the fragrances. The first one is from Lancome. It is That Name. And it is French for Idol. It's a fresh floral fragrance defined by its rose, jasmine, citrus, white musk, and vanilla notes. For 2.5 ounces, this is $123, which is quite a bit of money to spend on a perfume without smelling it and trying it and seeing if you like it. Oh, and it smells pretty. The bottle is really cute. It has like little indentions to actually hold it. And there's what it looks like outside of the box. So it is really cute. The next thing is from Coach. This is Dreams. This is a bitter orange, gardenia, and cactus flower. Evoke a sense of freedom and adventure. For 3 ounces is $102. This is the female fragrance in here. And then we have Coach for Men. Inspired by the energy of New York City, notes of green nashi, cardamom, and vetiver will invigorate you. 3.3 ounces of this is $85, and that is what it looks like. I will give that to my husband and see if he likes it. I'm gonna spray it first. Oh, that smells yum. That's like one of those smells. So definitely give that to him. And I did not see the hair clips, but they are You Glow Girl. Add some glitter and sparkle to your everyday look with this hair clip set. Stack them up or wear alone for a serious statement day or night. And this is what they look like. They're really cute, but there's nothing in here about them. I do like the idea of getting little barrettes. They do come in handy when we're doing our makeup. So they're just little clip-ins. So yeah, those are cute. Yeah, I will definitely be using those. Just little clippies on both of them. So that was our Macys box. For my first box, I enjoyed it. I am very pleased with what I received. I do hate the fact that I can't tell you to go order one. I don't know when they will bring back our subscription boxes from Macys, but when they do, we will have another video. So I appreciate y'all taking the time to come and watch it. I had so much fun. Super excited about everything that we got. And that's my video. So thank y'all. Do comment down below some videos that y'all might be interested in seeing, or some looks, or some palettes. What are y'all interested in seeing? I'm ready to get back to filming. I think I'm in a better place now, so I need to get back to work at work. That's it, guys. Y'all take it easy and stay safe, stay at home, call the people you love, and until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye.
Oh, yep.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Smile. Cheese. Take the fucking picture.
Cheese. Mr. Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. What the fuck?